New York City is a city under threat from rising sea levels. In 2012, when Hurricane Sandy arrived in the Northeast, it did millions of dollars in damage to New York City and its surrounding communities. Lives were lost, and one of the largest cities on Earth was forced to recognize that as sea levels continue to rise, New York City will be under an increasing threat from flooding, and its coastal ecosystems would similarly be at risk of damage. New York City is vulnerable to rising sea levels due to its closeness to sea level and its lack of prior investment in technologies to prevent flooding like flood barriers. Sea levels are expected to continue to rise, and therefore New York City will, in the future, be at an increased risk of flooding and coastal damage. As a community, New York City is expected to be severely impacted as a result. This means that millions of dollars and many lives will be lost if nothing is done to prevent the impact of rising sea levels on the city. New York City, however, is not standing idly by while it is overtaken by rising oceans. Active efforts are being made to educate New Yorkers about the impact of rising sea levels on the city. Solutions to the issue are already taking place. Millions are being appropriated to build seawalls and barriers to protect the city and its coastline. Other potential solutions could include raising the street level or constructing floating barriers to protect the city from storm surges.